Hi guys, and welcome back to Centurion. With Christmas approaching, we thought we'd give you the world's best Christmas present. With any purchase of any vehicle from us at Centurion, we will be sending you on the Cannon Run Spring Break 2022. And if you don't know what the Cannon Run is or what the Spring Break is, here's some footage from the 2021 event. So guys, this is a limited time only Christmas present. Okay, so choose any vehicle on our forecourt. Make sure you go over to our website, have a look at our full range of stock. When you purchase the vehicle, we will give you a voucher. Now, in order for you to redeem that voucher, simply give us a call or pop back in and we will book your spot on the Cannon Run Spring Break 2022.